In this video, we are going to learn how to find the z-score if the areas are given. And the type of questions which we are going to see are of two types. One is probability for the area towards the right side, and the probabilities or the z-scores for the area or the probabilities for the left tail question. When the left tail area is asked or when the right tail area is asked, these are the two types of questions which we are going to calculate. So the area, this is the area which is given to us, and using this area we are going to find the z-scores. These are the types of questions which we are going to discuss in this video now. And this is the calculator. This is the link for the calculator which I'm using for calculating. It is freely available and easily accessible on the internet. So you can use this link for finding the area, or you can use this link for using the calculator, I mean to say, for finding the areas. Again, I'm going to discuss both the types of solutions, one with the table and one without the table. So going back to question number 1, our aim is to find probability of we have been given probability of z less than s is 0.1112. This is the area given, and we have to find the value of this s. So our aim is to find that s. If I go to this question, my aim is to find, this is just a rough example, one s, so that this area on the left side is given as 0.1112. So our aim is to find this s. We can see that this is a left tail question. So this is the probability. And also this value is less than 0.5. So I'm going to locate this value on the negative z-score table. In this table, I'm going to locate 0.1112. 0.1112 is here. I can see that 0.1112 is lying here. This is the region where we find the area or the probability. And first column is the z-score 1 decimal place. First row is the z-score 2nd decimal place. So we can see that 0.1112 lies, or the z-score corresponding to that is minus 1.22. So minus 1.22 is the z-score for the given value of the area. So in this question, we have the value of s equals to minus 1.22. Let's see if same is correct with the calculator also. Now here, when we are using this table or when we are using this calculator, we need to find the value when the area is given. So we are computing z-scores, and the area given is 0.1112. Mean is 0 because it is standard normal distribution. Standard deviation is 1. Calculate. So this is the area below minus 1.22. So the value of s is minus 1.22, which is correct. So we get the same value, either we use the table or we use this calculator. Now going back to question number 2. Our aim is to find the value of u, so that our aim is to find this u, probability of u is equal to 0.5122. 5122 is slightly closer to this 0. So our aim is to find that value of this z which is equal to u, so that the area is 0.5122. So again, I'm going to look for this value in the z table, 0.5122. 0.5122 is slightly bigger than 0.5, so we are going to find it on the positive page. 0.5120, 0.5160. We can see that the value for the probability given is lying between both of them. Now, if it is between them, let us see the distances between both of them. 0.5120 and 0.5160. This value is slightly bigger than 0.5122, which is the target area. and this is slightly less than that. If I compare both of them, this value is comparatively much closer as compared to this. So the area 0.512 corresponds to 0.03. So the value of Z is 0.03. So value of Z here, that is represented as U. So U equals to 0.03. Let's recalculate this value from the calculator also. 0.5122. This is the area. Mean, standard deviation, 0.031. So our value in the calculator is 3 decimal places, whereas we have 2 decimal places here. Even if you round it off, you are going to get the same result. Value of Z greater than U, going back to question number 3. So we have, now as we know, as we have discussed in the previous video, whenever we have a right tail quotient, we can convert it into left tail quotient. So this becomes probability of Z less than minus U equals to 0.6293. So let's find the value of minus U in this case. 0.6293. 6293 lies on the positive page. 0.6293. 6293 is here. 0.6293 is here, which corresponds to 0.33. 0.33. So we have the value of minus U as 0.33. So the value of U multiplying minus 1 both the sides, minus 0.33. Let's recalculate the value using. Now we have area given as 0.6293, 0.6293, and we want the area is given as above 0.6293. So minus 0.33. So we can see either we use the table or we use the calculator, we are going to get the same result. So either way, it is easier for you to use this calculator because it calculates the value instantly, and for your homeworks and assessments, it is easy for calculating it. Again, going back to this question, 0.5240. I'm just going to use the calculator now because we have already discussed the values with both the methods, and I'm going to use the above, mean and standard deviation, calculate. So the value of t for the given problem, so the value of t equals to minus 0.06. Same question can also be given in the graphical form, or in the diagram form, I should say. If you have something like this area is given, so we know that it is a left tail question. Area is given as 0.0630. 0.0630. I'm going to put the area 0.0630, and it is a left tail value, so below area is given. So the value of 0, Z is minus 1.53. So the value of Z in this question is minus 1.53. Similarly, this is a right tail question. Area given is 0.2981, and 2981 is the area, the mean and standard deviation, and then we have the above value given here, so 0.53. So the value of Z in this question is 0.53. So it is not necessary that always we will have the question in the form of Z less than say T. It is given as 0.0630, or we might have the same question given in this form is Z greater than T and area equals to 0.2981. This is the graphical representation of the same question, only differ in the right and left tail question. But it is easy with the calculator because it calculates the value instantly. Finding z-score for the 64th percentile. Now 64th percentile means that the area is given as 0.64. 64th percentile also means 64 over 100. This is the meaning of 64th percentile. So our aim is to find the value of that z or z0 such that this area is given as 0.64. So probability of z less than z0 equals to 0.64. So the area is given as 0.64. 0.64 is the area, and it's a left tail question. So the value of z0. So the value of z0 in this question is going to be equal to 0.358. So this is the z-score corresponding to which we have, this is the z-score corresponding to 64th percentile. Thank you.